Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add the PayPal payment gateway in WordPress in 2025. So if you want to accept the PayPal payments on your website for the products, for the donations or the digital downloads, this is the easiest and the most updated method. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on your WordPress admin dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of add plugin. Now, once you are here on this plugin page, you need to simply use this search bar, and here you can search for either the PayPal payments or you can also search for WooCommerce PayPal payments. So both of these are great plugins, so you can use any. So currently I've added WooCommerce plugin over here on my WordPress website. So once you have added it, simply hover over to it and click on the option of settings. Now here in the WooCommerce settings, click on the option of payments here on the top. After that, in the payments, you are going to see a bunch of different payment methods. As you can see, we have PayPal payments available here too. So click on the option of install right next to it. After that, you need to connect your PayPal account with it in order to complete this whole setup. So click on the option of complete setup. Then it is going to ask you to activate your PayPal payments. So after clicking on it, it is going to ask you to basically select your account, whether it is going to be a personal account or a business account. After that, select what are you going to sell, whether there are virtual goods, physical goods, or any kind of subscription. Then click on the option of continue on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you already have a PayPal account, you will have to provide those credentials over here. If you don't have it, you can create your new account. So once it is connected successfully, you will be able to get the payments with the help of the PayPal on your website. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.